Yo, cool nerds, we are back. Transformers, War for Cybertron, Generations, all that right here, baby, for you review. Yo, cool nerds, I got the Optimus Prime and I got Bumblebee. I got two of the greatest tag team partners ever assembled. They're up there on the status of the level. Michael Jordan, Scottie Pippen, Emmitt Smith, Troy Aikman, LeBron James, Dwayne Wade, The Rock and Sock, you know, all that, baby. It's just the greatest team ever assembled right here. These two cats right here, because when they get together, they get the fighting and the brawling and sprawling and this and that and the third. Basically, it's your Transformers figures, but basically the way they looked when they were on Cybertron. Basically, before they came to Earth and they converged with our cars, and there were trucks and Dodge Vipers and all the other crazy stuff like that. But basically, with this review, I didn't play the game, but I did see somebody play the game. I thought it was pretty interesting. And I'll probably play it later on when the price drops. But yeah, basically, this review is basically going to be about my man Optimus Prime. Optimus Prime, one of the greatest superheroes of all time, top 10. If you've seen my past review, I said he was my boy since I was a little cubling, since I was tiny. You know what I'm saying? He even had nothing on the Ninja Turtles, but still, he was still doing this thing. Optimus Prime, the reason I really enjoyed Optimus Prime the most, because he was a leader. You know, I gotta enjoy those leaders. And also because growing up, I always thought he was a brother. You know what I'm saying? I thought he was a brother because I don't know any other person with that type of voice. You know what I'm saying? The Black Brothers only know as the dudes with the, yeah, this is Optimus Prime. You know what I'm saying? With the type of voice where it was this deep, and then, you know, what's going, I remember one time he do some slang in there, yo, what's going on, Autobots? What's the dilly, son? It's going down, Autobots. You know what I'm saying? I was like, oh, snap, word is boy, Optimus Prime is using slang. You know what I'm saying? So I thought, like, yo, this dude is a brother from the motherland. You know what I'm saying? So basically, yeah, I remember I was conversing with my boys the other day, and I seen an episode. I don't know if you guys remember this episode, because I had this same conversation with my boys the other day, and they didn't have a clue what the heck I was talking about. And I was like, no, y'all had to see this episode, because it was an episode where it could have been the Lost episodes. I think season 28, Lost episodes, the remix editions. You know what I'm saying? It was one of those episodes where I seen them. Excuse me, almost sneezed. Yeah, Optimus Prime, baby. Back at our review, right? So basically, we just broke it down with a sneeze. All right, so basically, Optimus Prime, you can tell I'm lying, but if I'm gonna sneeze, you can tell I'm about to lie, cool nerds. But anyway, I swear I seen this episode, man. I'm not lying. I did see this episode. Basically, Optimus Prime, it was the Autobots. They just took off. You know what I'm saying? Like, it was Megatron was just messing up stuff downtown. I think don't quote me on this. They had a sale at Target, and they didn't have the right motor fluid, so Megatron just started going crazy at Target. He just started knocking stuff off the wall, like, ah! Right, so the Autobots, they just took off. They took off and went downtown, like, yo, we about to get at him. We about to get at Megatron. You can't be doing that at Target. That's my favorite store. You know what I'm saying? So they took off, but Megatron is a truck, you know what I'm saying? So he goes a little bit slower than the regular Autobots, you know what I'm saying? So he goes a little bit slower, but they was just taking off Bumblebee, who else? Ratchet, Jazz, they just took off from Megatron. And then, this is how I knew Megatron was a brother. Not Megatron, I'm sorry, Optimus Prime was a brother. This is how I knew Optimus Prime was a brother. Like, the dude was driving, right? All of a sudden, the cops pulled him over. He pulled him over, Optimus Prime, he pulled over like, hey, what's going on? How can I help you, officer? Like, don't give us that spill. Don't give us that spill. License and registration. And as a brother, he didn't have his registration. He didn't have his insurance, man. So they took Optimus Prime downtown. They locked him up. Like, yo, I'm a superhero, man. I'm here to save the day. We don't want to hear that, buddy. Get in there. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling you, I swear that episode. The cops was messing with him. They almost ride the kingdom. But they didn't do it because Optimus Prime was just such a nice guy. You know, they could have ridden the kingdom. They was reaching for the mace. But anyway, that was just, I seen that episode. I swear I seen it. Google it, YouTube it. It's Optimus Prime harassed by cops, season 3 remix edition. But anyway, back to the review. These are two beautiful dope figures. I recommend going out if you're a big time Optimus Prime, Bumblebee, Tag Team, Human Alliance, all that fan of Transformers. I would recommend just going down and getting these figures. Basically, here they go, but you know, in their car mode and such like that. It looks just like the old school, you know, generation before they transformed into the whole, you know, human car, Earth cars or whatever, things like that. And you know, I don't do the whole transforming ordeal, so I ain't gonna take them out of the packaging like that. Like, what is this? What is this? A toy review? But anyway, W. Cooters, you think I'm Optimus Prime? What up? Peace.